blood clot DJ from a shot at selector boy.
Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, the Dan is back. The Dan is back. Yeah, man, don't miss me, don't. Me no one miss me, man. But have no fear, the Dan is here, ready to come in some people career. You see me and say, yeah, man, we're there back in our building, gang. You see, the Dan back in our lab. Yeah, man, we're back with some more banger reactions and some banger music video. Also, gang, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and join my live streams. I do stream live every day at 8 p.m. I'll be streaming games. So I'm going to be going live doing some reactions. But we actually go live in about an hour right now. We're going live at 8 p.m. We're going to be streaming some Black Myth Wukong and some Liza P and some Borderlands 3, man. So if you like good vibes, good energy, and a good time, definitely join the live stream. Come support me on my streaming journey. We've been streaming lately, man, and kicking it, and it's been a vibe. So definitely come over. But yeah, man, gang, we're now up for vibes. I've been missing for like 2 months now, gang. And we're there with we're there with some more reactions, and we'll kick it off for the teacher. You don't know, the world boss, the king of the dancehall himself. We gotta kick it off the right way, don't it? Yeah, man, we're there with Vybz Kartel. Join the team. We just catch up on all the things that we will miss up on. Let's get it. Yeah, man.
Hey, girl, you want good in your hole. Hey, girl, you want me knock you out cold. Hey, girl, you want wine on the pool. Hey, girl, you better. Me, I got hit you with no delay. So what you saying, yo? Say you have a man, but be
whoa. You hitting me with that Busta Rhymes? So there's a Busta Rhyme influence on this? Alright.
Me, I got hit you with no delay. So what you saying,
yo?
Say you have a man, but be dicky your titty, yo. Don't call me as a referee when him kicking, yo. Cause I am not a cop, I am the...
So don't call me like a referee when him kicking you. I would even like...
Yo, cause I am not a cop, I am the Gaza CEO. And my only job is to make sure my dick in, yo. 9 months.
Him and say don't call me that I kick you like a... Don't call me like for the brother I kick you, cause I'm not a cop, I'm a Gaza CEO, and my only job is to make sure I put hole in your blood, clean, tool. Talk, Joe, come, Joe.
I'm your belly swell a kidding, yo. I'm not really a one burner, so you stress a begin, yo. Be a girl a call and a threaten fi kill, yo. True your love, give rich man, your pussy fit them dig it, yo. You should
not get a blood clean. Joe, me say, I'm not really a one burner. See them, what you feel about this?
True your love, give rich man, your pussy fit them dig it,
Hola.
Stress a begin, yo. Be a girl a call and a threaten fi
Hola.
9 months time your belly swell a kidding, yo. I'm not really a one burner, so you stress a begin, yo. Be a girl a call and
say, yo, I'm not really a one burner, so your stress just at beginning of mama. Oh,
yo, true your love, give rich man, your pussy fit them dig it, yo. You should not get a little simple youth fi call your own. But you get the teeth, so trouble it not come without.
Bombard, so you should get a simple youth fi call your own, you know, but you get the teacher. You see me, I get the word boss. You see me, a girl boss. You don't know you have to deal with. You know come with this mama. You're gonna go say for a little simple regular rate, you know. I don't know everything, but you don't want a star. I don't want rich. Hey, Kartel, no easy, bomb, come in.
It come without. Carry you go shopping, no money, no half account. But you have to understand, say a bag a girl want your man. So a girl we all come in your mouth.
Oh, fuck.
Knock you right out, come crying at the...
Man, so me take you shopping, money we not have to count. But you have to understand, say about a girl wanting a man, so them and them we might thump in your mouth, you know, mama. You have to...
Out. Boom, knock you out.
How are the blood? This bad, Johnny.
Without. Carry you go shopping, no money, no half account. But you have to understand, say a bag a girl want your man. So a girl we all thump in your mouth. Boom, knock you out, knock you right out. Come crying at the Benz, later we a go out. If you really wanna fuck with me, remember me body a prosperity.
I mean, if you are already done, you have to remember that. Remember, if you want to roll with it, you have to know this. Know this.
With fuckery, I know every gal can manage me. So if you really want to join the team, longest line you will ever see. Black gal, white gal, Chinese.
Rudum. Are they tuning me a miss from what you other? That mafia, you're not doing what you're supposed to do. Y'all gotta stay alert, man. Y'all gotta let me know I gotta react to bangers, bro. Come on, man, let's get it.
Asian Guyanese. Hey, scatter. In God we trust, so it's a must we put the money in front pussy first.
Yeah.
So maybe if you suck me, would you stop from take the bus?
God is trust, so it's a must we put the money in front of us. Hey!
Money in front pussy first. So baby, if you suck me, would you stop from take the bus? Any more bus you take a must bust a bus. When me call and want the pussy pan the G, learn the syllabus. If Buster late, run it pan bounty killer fuss. Then me carry you go Louis for something we never trust. Spend the money pan your TJ, say it's a must.
No say I'm carrying that way.
No ask me about no girl when you say we are pose up. Me no have woman friend, obviously we are fuck. Like that one.
Oh, I'm Tia Virgin. How you feel like?
Oh no girl when you say we are pose up. Me no have woman friend, obviously we are fuck. You no like that walking a chop. Otherwise pay that no mind. Remember you did broke. Now you rich cause you have me big Buddha sock. So count your blessing, count your luck.
Hey, Kartel. Hey, yo. Is this a message to see them? Who's this message for, bro? Hey, man, sending to the girl them. Hey, go on.
Remember me body a prosperity, but it a go come with fuckery.
Yeah.
I know every girl can manage me. So if you really wanna join the team, longest line you will ever see. Black girl, white girl, Chinese, Trini girl, beige and Guyanese.
Oh my! Hey, you can't tell the same brother call you but you want this GC, you know I come with this, man. I'm to you, man. Easy as hell. You know, say I bug a woman, man. I'm to you, one of my thumping in your mouth. I'm to you, but me take your shopping money, you know, if you can't. Yo! Hey, man. Kartel really revived dancehall. That's no joke, gang. Let me know what y'all think about that one in the comment section, man. And let me know, bro. This what y'all be let me miss. And y'all let me know your bang be dropping, bro. Different shit dropping and react to that. Y'all let me down, man. But yeah, man, gang. You see what we do today, man. Yeah. Dope track from Vybz Kartel. Kartel, you know, the teacher is back. The world boss is back. What's going on, camera? Stay focused on your boy, man. Jeez. What's going on? Stay focused, man. Yeah, so shout out to Vybz Kartel back, man. Dropping straight bangers, just going crazy. You see me and say, yeah, to revive dancehall, everything. Some artists have to saddle up, you know, and get their act together. You see me and say, but yeah, man, shout out to Vybz Kartel, shout out to World Boss Gang. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely show the artist some of our support. Make you know the dance and also, hit the like and subscribe button. Also, I go live every day at 8 o'clock, so come join the live. Come vibe with your boy. I'll be gaming over on my live. You feel me? Be gaming. I'll be doing reactions as well. It all depends on the day and what we're doing. So definitely pull up to the live, guys. Come join me on my streamer journey. Streamer, we talk about everything over there. Dancehall, music, hip-hop, movies, games, everything. We're not going to just stick to dancehall alone. We're not going to be boxed in. But I do want to join my streaming journey. I'll be gaming over there. I'll be talking about stuff. We'll be vibing. So pull up to the live stream, gang. You already know what time it is. Also, join the Discord. We're lit over there. You get the videos drop first, notifications first, link to the live, prizes and giveaways are all gonna be done on the Discord first. So make sure you join that. All right, gang. So yeah, man. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.